Hello students, we are studying Science and Technology Part 1 of Standard 9. Students, the very first chapter, Laws of Motion. In that, last time we have seen how to derive equations of motion, that is Newton's equations of motion, by using graph. Okay, now today we are going to learn about the uniform circular motion. In your textbook at page number 9, an activity is given. See what is that activity. In that question is asked to you, observe the tip of the second hand of a clock. What can you say about its velocity and speed? Means students, at your home or in school also you can see wall clock on the wall, and in that second hand of a clock which is constantly rotating in circular motion. Okay, now what can you say about its velocity and speed? The speed of the tip is constant, but the direction of its displacement and therefore its velocity is constantly changing. As the tip is moving along a circular path, its motion is called uniform circular motion. Okay, now you can see the figure given alongside here. Try out and think about it. Draw a rectangular path as shown in the figure. Place the tip of your pencil on the middle of any side of the square path and trace the path. Means students, it is told that you have to draw the rectangular path on your notebook, in your notebook, and you have to take the middle of one of the side, put your pencil at the middle and trace the path. म्हणजे तुम्हाला त्या रेक्टेंगल वरती एका साईडच्या मिडल वरती कुठेतरी एक पॉइंट तुमचा पेन्सिलचा ठेवायचा आणि तो पाथ काय करायचा, पूर्ण रेक्टेंगलचा ट्रेस करायचा. देन स्टुडंट्स, टेल मी हाऊ मेनी टाइम्स यू हॅव टू चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द ट्रेसिंग द पाथ. म्हणजे पाथ ट्रेस करताना तुम्हाला रेक्टेंगलचं जे पाथ आहे तो किती टाइम्स डायरेक्शन चेंज करावं लागेल, तर 4 टाइम्स. येस, व्हेरी गुड, 4 टाइम्स. देन इफ वी टेक पेंटेगॉन, जर आपण पेंटेगॉन घेतला म्हणजे अशी फिगर की ज्याला 5 साइड्स आहेत, देन टेल मी हाऊ मेनी टाइम्स यू हॅव टू चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ ट्रेसिंग द पाथ. येस, 5 टाइम्स. If we increase side, if we take hexagon, how many times we have to change the direction of the tracing the path? 5 times, 6 times. In hexagon, 6 times you have to change the path. Then again, if we goes on increasing the sides of the polygon, then many times we have to change the directions. ओके, म्हणजे जर असं आपण एक एक करून जर साईड्स आपण इन्क्रीज करत गेलो पॉलिगॉनच्या, तर एक वेळ अशी येईल की प्रत्येक पॉईंटला काय करावं लागेल, डायरेक्शन चेंज करावं लागेल. ओके, अँड दॅट फिगर इज नथिंग बट द सर्कल. आणि ती फिगर म्हणजे काय असेल, सर्कल. ओके, सो सी व्हॉट इज द युनिफॉर्म सर्क्युलर मोशन. Here definition is given. When an object moves with constant speed along a circular path, the motion is called uniform circular motion. What are the examples? The motion of a stone in a sling. Second example, motion of any point on a bicycle wheel when they are in uniform motion. Students, you also see many of the examples of uniform circular motion in your day-to-day life. Also there are examples you have studied. What is can you tell that examples? Yes, the rotation or the path or motion of a planet of planets around the sun, or motion of moon along the earth. Okay, now students, determining the direction of velocity in uniform circular motion. Students, here alongside figure is given. In that the coin and the disc. If a coin is put on the disc, and if disc is rotated in circular motion, then the coin will thrown off in the direction of the tangent which is perpendicular to the radius of the disc. मीन्स स्टुडंट्स इथे काय केलं, कॉईन ही डिस्कवरती ठेवली आणि डिस्कला रोटेट केलं सर्क्युलर मोशनमध्ये, तर काय होईल, दॅट कॉईन विल थ्रोन ऑफ, ती कॉईन बाजूला जाऊन पडेल, पण ती कशी जाऊन, म्हणजे तिचं डायरेक्शन काय असेल फ्लाय ऑफ होण्याचं, तर इट्स डायरेक्शन इज टँजेंट. ओके, टँजेंट टू द डिस्क अँड विच इज परपेंडिक्युलर टू द रेडियस ऑफ द डिस्क. As the coin moves along a circular path, the direction of its motion is changing at every point. आणि ही जी कॉइन आहे ती सर्क्युलर पाथमध्ये मूव्ह होते, म्हणजे डायरेक्शन तिचं प्रत्येक पॉईंटला काय होते तर चेंज होते. ओके स्टुडंट्स, सो टुडे वी हॅव स्टडीड अबाउट युनिफॉर्म सर्क्युलर मोशन, इट्स एक्झाम्पल्स, okay, and direction of velocity in uniform circular motion. Okay, thank you students.